whole section is delaminated. Where the moisture has gotten in behind. This has actually been freshly plastered some point not too many years ago, as you can see. So you can see we've thoroughly protected the room, including the bed, although we've limited the mess. This is the area in question. You can see the damage has come through. It's delaminated this whole top layer of plaster. It is now fixed and will dry. So we'll now repair these. I will give all this scape. This is distemper. So sometimes in older properties you get this powdery surface and you don't want to plaster on top of that. That wants to come off and you want a stabilising solution.